Welcome back to Nazaretos channel again. In this episode, I'm going to be working with this product, RainX. We're going to restore these headlights. They're yellow. I want to try this product for the first time. My Toyota Venza. It's about 10 years old, and I don't like this. This is all yellowish, hazy, doesn't look good. This side is as well. I tried it from different compounds, doesn't work. I want to try this product. New product, RainX Premium Headlight Restoration Kit. Shows before, after. It says professional grade results, greatest long-lasting protection barrier, and it includes all the drill attachments for easy sanding and polishing. What's inside the box, the components: drill attachment, 1500 grade sanding disc, 3200 grade sanding disc, 4000 sanding disc, and RainX Premium Headlight polishing pad. And also we have this premium headlight buffing polish and gloves, everything we need. First step, we need to mask. We need to do this. In this step, I'm going to put the masking tape. So I apply the masking tape, and in the next step, so there you go, step 2, sanding. First, you also have to clean the headlight, make sure it's dry, clean, masking tape, and then sanding. Mist the lens and the sanding disc with water. Begin sanding with a medium to light pressure across the headlight. Headlight will appear frosty, and at this point, repeat sanding steps with next grade sanding disc. Headlight will appear semi-clear at this stage. I attach this to the drill. Now we need a brown sanding paper. Brown sanding paper right here. Mist the lens and the surface of the sanding disc with water, preferably from a spray bottle. Begin sanding the lens using a light to medium pressure. Move the drill back and forth across the surface of the lens using slow movements to cover all parts of the lens surface. Mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. Inspect the lens to make sure all yellowish has been removed and the lens looks uniformly frosted. Remove the disc pad and replace with a gray sanding disc. A little bit scary to do that. Supposed to get hazy, make sure you keep going. Sand it all around, and make sure you wet the surface. So the surface is hazy with this brown pad. I'm gonna go here in the corner a little bit more, but it looks a little bit better. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. Okay, this is how it looks after using the brown pad. It looks hazy all around. Make sure you use a lot of water. This step, it says we have to mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. Inspect the lens. Make sure all the yellow has been removed. Remove the brown disc and replace with a gray sanding disc. And repeat step 1 and 2 with a gray sanding disc. I have my gray sanding disc. The light looks all like, as you see, nicely like scratched up, I would say, you know. I'm gonna clean it. And now I'm gonna use this gray sanding disc. Same process. It's getting a little bit clearer. Okay, I'm still working with the grayish disc, but the light looks clearer right now. There's a lot of yellow on the top here, so I'm gonna still work with this grayish sanding disc. I'm gonna keep going back and forth. Make sure you don't get stuck in one spot. Just keep going lightly back and forth. Looks much clearer now. We have to remove the gray sanding disc and replace with a blue sanding disc and repeat the process. This is our blue disc. Gonna wet it a little bit. Also, I'm going to wet the light. Now we're gonna use this blue sanding disc. Now let me clear this and let's look at this light. I didn't even polish it yet, but it already looks so much nicer. I'm gonna keep working with the bluish disc for another 2 minutes and we'll be done. Go to the next final step. Looks nice. Looks very nice. Very clear. Very nice. Now we gotta remove the blue disc and replace with orange foam polish pad and open the RainX premium headlight buffing polish pouch. Squeeze a nickel size amount of the polish on the corner of the orange. Apply some polish, but do like this, dab, 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 dab. Go around. And then start polishing. Keep working in that polish. But don't get stuck in one spot. Play it around. So after I'm done with this polish, I wet the surface, clean it. It looks nice, very nice. Very clear. It was all yellow right here. It's all clear now. Open this protectant sealant. I have my gloves on. It says boost clarity for optimal results, provides protective sealant, extends life of the restoration. As a final step, RainX Premium Headlight Restoration eliminates any remaining haze and boosts the optical clarity, reduces the restored lens exposure to future discoloration. So apply product, put on protective glass, tear open package, begin treatment to cure as soon as packet is open. Rub the wipe over clear headlight lenses. A streak may appear, but it will disappear as treatment dries. Let it dry for 1 hour before touching the surface and allow at least 8 hours before exposing headlights to the moistures such as rain, dew, or car wash. We have one towelette here. I'm just gonna do it nice and easy. Napkin, make sure you have gloves on. It dries, make sure it dries for at least 1 hour. This is the right side, passenger side, that's how it looks. This is the driver. It's still drying out. So you guys and girls see for yourself, this new RainX product works very nice. Look at these beautiful headlights. It's still drying, the protective film, but look at that. I was able to buff out all the yellow stuff. It looks like a brand new headlights. I'm just gonna let it dry. You can't touch it for like an hour. I'm gonna let it dry. Looks brand new. Follow the steps and you're gonna have a new headlights. Thank you for watching Nazaretov's channel, and link in the description for this product. Hit that bell, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated on these headlights. But so far they look amazing and I'm very happy with the result. So I'll see you in the next video.